session.
Exactly, because that's exactly what I did. I just went and popped my little L, got my blunt, and then now it's time to start studying.
Straight like
Happy
that.
birthday, man.
Hell,
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
thank
happy
you.
right. Happy
birthday.
Appreciate it.
birthday.
Appreciate it. Appreciate you.
I,
Appreciate
was-
you.
I ain't gonna lie, I probably would have called this off. Would have been happy birthday in bed somewhere with the wifey or something.
Oh shit.
Okay. I wish I was smoking what you was smoking. Damn.
Oh,
Hey,
you on that
facts.
pure that pure THC.
Damn.
Real talk. You can take this shit out the thing and eat it. This shit edible. This shit edible. If your bud ain't all that good, you can dab that shit on there. Make that shit better.
Hey, I'm out Colorado, man. You got that gas out here.
Oh, you in Colorado, whoever that is.
No,
Yeah.
no, I'm
Mm,
back. I went out to Colorado for a minute, but I'm back. I'm in Georgia. I was in Atlanta. I'm down in Fort Valley now.
oh,
Hey,
really?
Fort Valley!
Well, I
That's I
graduated
graduated
from.
from Fort Valley. Me and Shane actually graduated from Fort Valley. That's why, hey, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh shit, I graduated from there too.
Hey, see?
Hey
This,
David, I'm gonna look at this. Go over this market maker template today. You still got it, right?
Yeah, I don't even know for real, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you.
oh, wait a minute. That market maker template, is it in the Beat the Market Maker file?
It
Huh?
should be on the Facebook group. If
Okay, well,
not, I'll
yeah,
put
go
it
ahead.
back in there. But this is the actual template that you read and study on the market maker video.
That's what I need because I mean, I know they template so well. I know how to trade off there, but I didn't know how to get there.
Hey,
To
facts. I'm gonna look for that. I'm gonna look for that.
And right now, this is the dollar. What we're looking at here, and as you can see from the just knowing the market maker cycle, David, that we're headed to the mail.
Yep, it's yes. I love the blue boxes. I know them blue boxes so fucking well. I be looking.
Yeah, the blue boxes are that range.
Hey, so
David,
hold on.
remember yesterday when I told you how price will either retest or break that high right about now
Yeah.
at 9:30, 10 o'clock? That previous day's high?
Yep.
And look where price is right now on the dollar. So we see the dollar's making some rebounds now.
Oh, so that's gonna be a breakout.
Yeah, breakout to the upside. So the pound dollar is typically going to fall.
Hey, bro, is this that shark fin right here?
Yep. That's a shark fin, so is this.
Oh, where? And then you got one, two.
And notice at the shark fins, that's where your highs of the days are. Highs and lows of the day are.
Word. And right here is that the three to the left.
Yep.
All right, all right.
This is 1, 2, 3.
Damn, that shit set up perfect.
You set up perfect, and I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. That's perfect.
And
I'm
that
trying
Me
to
and you
tell
in the
you.
same boat.
I'm trying to tell. I'm getting to the
and
point
that
where I
is
can
the
look at these charts and
that's
then
just
just
the
look at
dollar
what's going
overall.
on.
So that's going to tell us where a majority of the currencies are going to be headed throughout the day, just based on looking at the dollar. If the dollar's headed up, then we know the pound and this. Hold on.
Hey, bro, I do got that. I do got that template.
You got it.
Hell yeah.
All right, cool. I'm gonna take these arrows off. I don't too much like the arrows.
Hey, Jonathan, you mostly trade in the 3 a.m. session, 3:30 session.
Yeah, that's my favorite. That's my favorite because that actually brings us in right around here. Right around this time frame, and you'll notice that every day right around there is where the move actually happens.
So the market is more volatile during that time.
Yeah, London's actually the most volatile session.
That's what I like.
All right, David, look at this euro in this USD on this 15-minute chart. If you look at it, it's the complete opposite.
Oh shit.
This is the 15-minute chart, Euro USD, and the 15-minute chart,
Hey, that's lit as shit right there. I see that.
Is it in? It's in the same time. It's at the same time too. I mean, I know it's 15 increments. Is it the exact same time?
Yeah, hell
Let me
yeah.
change the
That's
way
today right now.
take a look. I'm gonna make it look exactly like the one to the left. I mean the right.
Damn it, man! I'm
All
almost
right,
out
now
of
you
oil.
see that right here. We have. Let me get the annotation. Draw. 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3 here. The high, the low. It's the same pattern upside down.
Facts, you even got the 1, 2, 3.
Look at the moving averages. They're in the same spot too. On the flip side. So with me seeing this, we're likely the
Hell yeah,
Feds
that's right.
are
They're doing
likely
the
going to
exact
raise
same
that
thing.
interest rate for the dollar.
Oh, you said what, bro?
I said the Feds are likely going to raise that interest rate on the dollar, and what that's going to do is that's going to spike the dollar up tremendously because they really have to. The Feds really have to find a way to salvage the dollar at this point. So the only way they can really do that is by raising the interest rates. Trump is against raising the interest rates. That's why him and the Feds are going at it.
That's why I've noticed a lot of people like refinancing their mortgages on their houses lately,
Yep.
and they're
Right before
their
they're
time
going to
period.
raise those interest rates like a
Uh,
motherfucker.
yeah,
Yo, so they
Yeah, they
was they
finna
was
raise those.
saying,
Right now is actually the worst time to buy a I wouldn't say the worst time to buy a house, but if
yeah,
you
it's a
wait, you'll
seller's market.
yeah,
It's
it's a seller's
definitely a
market.
seller's market.
Definitely a seller's market.
For shit, in a year.
It'll turn to a buyer's market in a
Yeah,
minute, but it'll have to go through it is going to go through a recession. We're going to go through another little so-called recession.
yeah, and I think a lot of it too is predicated on the student loan bubble too.
Yep.
So I'm
I
not
think
paying the
they're
fuck
I
back.
think they're gonna have to wipe that. I think they're gonna have to wipe that and reset that, and they might do away with student loans altogether.
I,
Okay, well, I need to hold off then. Okay.
Yeah, I know. Some people are really not
look,
paying their student loans, just waiting.
I'm bucking. I am bucking until I get a concrete answer because I feel like either Trump is gonna get rid of all these fucking student loans or somebody else is. But I'm bucking. I
Right,
ain't
because
paying it.
how people getting phone calls every other day about zero forgiveness? You waste your student loan. Where the hell that coming from? Who making them disappear?
smooth scam.
Yeah.
For reals.
Them the same folks that got them the same folks that continue to take $40 and turn it into 400 though.
Right.
Yeah, man, just give me your social security number, man. I'll wipe out all your debt.
He said, if you got Bank of America or Chase, hit my line.
Right.
Oh,
That shit.
Okay,
ain't
are
heard
we
that
just
in a
going
minute.
through my life or something right now?
Huh?
We just going through my life right now because I think I'm gonna be older. When I was in college, college was a hard time. I think I did every single one of those things at one point in time. Not on the receiver's end.
Here on
Yeah,
this pound, we actually see the same thing. David. We got that we got that high. We got 1, 2, 3 swipes to the high. Notice how each one got lower.
Hell yeah. You even respected this. Hey, fact.
Look at the TDIs.
Hey, so when I draw on the screen, can you see that?
Yeah, I can actually see that. You can draw on the screen too. Well, actually, anybody can if they want to point anything out.
Yeah, that is respect.
Matthew's phone.
That was you just put that up there?
Yeah,
Okay, yeah.
I'm actually in right here.
Okay, cool. You got it in there in London.
Mm-hmm.
I literally just entered about 15 minutes ago.
EU.
You said EU?
Mm-hmm.
You got in up there at the high two?
Yeah.
You see here on this on the daily here on the
You.
EU?
Hey, so what the hell you got planned for today?
You did that the last time too. It's in there,
You
Matthew.
said what I got planned?
Hell yeah.
Not too much. Not too much. I'll probably go out to eat and
Put
shit.
up it.
Where are you just gonna be enjoying it?
Oh, most definitely. Most definitely. Okay, now on the dollar here on the 5-minute chart, see how this high is playing resistance on this 5 minute?
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice indication. Yep. Nice little W. That candle right here, this red one,
Mm-hmm.
was like the dagger or the last inducing candle for the sellers. That one got the sellers happy. This one turned their smile upside down. Because when they saw this, they was like, oh yeah, sell. And immediately as they entered that sale, look at the TDI cross. And
Sawyer.
right, out of here. On
They
this
must
Euro
have known.
USD, look at the daily. The daily showing us a railroad. I can see this railroad coming here and engulfing this whole thing and coming back down. Look at the TDI.
Yeah, damn right. I didn't even peep that.
The bands at the TDI are playing resistance. And you see it's been resisted 3 times. We got 3 tops in there. That's a triple top.
All right, so hold on. I seen some on them videos. It was like blood in the water or something like that.
Okay, yeah, blood in the water would be a shark fin, something like this. This
Okay.
would have been the, this, as you see, is the highest point out of the 3. Right here. That's your shark fin. Blood in the water would be this. This is the water. So this is the shark coming back for the blood.
Okay, I see that.
The shark fin is always going to leave the highest point. So that's where the market maker has their entry, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Now this is the daily. So when I go to something lower, it'll look more as that reversal pattern. That reversal pattern will be more convincing than like right here on the hour, or even the 4 hour is more convincing. But you
Hey,
see
that's a
that-
multi-session. That's a multi-session. Well, triple top right here.
That's a multi-day, multi-week. This
Damn,
is
yeah,
a
you
4 hour
right.
chart.
Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, put that out.
So this is a multi-week high, and we can see that here on the daily here and the weekly. This is a 3-week, 4-week high. We can see this whole level here has been playing resistance, and I believe that since it's still playing resistance, we're coming down here.
Hey, remember when I sent you that thing about this gap?
Yep. Remember when I mentioned that?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's where we're coming.
Facts, 'cause you got the W.
Also, you can look at this this Fibonacci. You can take the Fibonacci from the swing low and swing high that we can clearly see here on the chart. Right here. And look at your Fibonacci points.
Right to 61.8. And then right to 50, that shit gonna drop.
Right. And if we break there, we're going to the extensions down here. 161. And we can clearly see that possibility on the monthly time frame. You see that?
Hell yeah. So hold on the monthly right here. I'm seeing a little gap right there. They just is that the only reason why it went up last week was because of that, or last month was because of that gap to retest that high and then go back down?
Yep. What it did here was it pretty much this gap right here.
Mm-hmm.
Price hit it. Price hit it again. Now we're consolidating, and I believe we're coming like this.
Facts. 'Cause I know some people be trading like the if it goes and fills the gap and then you buy the gap. So could that be like a trap?
Now in some situations you could. It is wise to buy the gap when price is continuing in that direction. But based on this here, this cycle actually reset itself here on the Mayo. We know cycle resets on the Mayo. Reset there for another down cycle, and this is a monthly down cycle. So this
So
is
this
this
So
isn't
you
a
still looking for it to push down, right?
yeah on the long term. I'm looking for a pound USD to go down all year long.
Right. Okay. Good shit.
so
And
right
the
here,
reason I say that is because we know the pound did not find or come to a Brexit deal with Europe. So we know for a fact the past 50 years, euro and pound have been together, and they just split ways. So that's one thing we know fundamentally.
yeah, facts. There ain't no trust in that shit
Right,
right
ain't no
now.
trust in the pound right now. Another thing we know fundamentally is that the Feds are looking to raise, are really pushed in a corner where they have no choice but to raise interest rates 2 more times in 2019. That's going to spike the dollar. That's going to take the pound down. Those are two fundamental facts we know. Now everything goes to technical analysis, and technical analysis is showing the exact same thing.
In fact, so right here, technically, like if we didn't know the cycle, you feel me? This is a buyer's trap right here, right?
That is exactly what that is.
Because they even pinned it, and then right here, kind of like one of them like evening star patterns or whatever that shit called.
Exactly. This is a buyer's trap. The buyer's trap is simply because you see that buy in that gap happen on the 61.8.
Facts.
That's a
They
buy
just
signal.
validating everything.
It's validating everything.
Hey, quick question. Do you think the Euro USD is still pushing down for the day?
Euro USD, yeah, Euro
Yeah.
USD still got another push down.
All right. Cool. Okay.
So with sometimes with these gaps, I be seeing it as a whole V.
You be seeing it as a what?
It be like a whole level. You feel me? I be seeing it like oh shit.
Um.
Like this would be the
1, 2, 3.
That's exactly what that is right there. That's exactly what that is right there, and you'll see it on the 4 hour.
you might not. I can run that. Just give me like 5 minutes. You said that's exactly what it was though?
Yeah, that's exactly what it was. I'm trying to see a time frame where you can actually see the levels. But yeah, that's exactly what that is.
Well, you on? Oh, okay, my fault.
Damn, I got red. Hold on. Yeah, you can put that back. Yeah, there you go. You got black on.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Exactly.
Right. So you still looking for at least 2 more pushes down at least for the day, right?
Well, this is the monthly, so this is just throughout the year. So if we were looking at go to the daily trend is best seen on the hour and the 30-minute.
Okay.
So we could go here to the 30-minute
1, 2, 3.
and see. Yeah, we still got a push down here.
All right, cool. So I can hold these. I guess like I'm up like 20 pips right now.
on
Yo,
the
is
sell?
this?
Yeah, on the euro.
Okay. I think David said he's in on this euro too.
Yeah, I got in right where actually I got in late. Well, shit, really on that stop hunt. I'm guessing that would be the stop hunt. Shit, right there at that yesterday's high. Well, not really there, but
Here.
one more 1, 2, 3 pushes up on that intraday. 3 push up.
One,
1,
two,
2.
three.
Yeah, I got
Yeah, that's
like
exactly what that was. That was that vector.
yeah. Okay. So yeah. I got in right there. I guess I'm gonna hold these. So, but I'm up like 20 pips right now. Though.
Yeah, hold those. Also, look at the placement of the TDI.
Okay.
This did hit a shark fin, but look how this shark fin looks nothing like this shark fin in formation and price action. So this
Okay.
is a false shark fin.
All right, cool. Cause I think I've been getting in on those, man, and getting fucked up with them bitches, man.
You got the TDI?
Yeah, I've been. That's what I'm gonna start doing that Steve Morrow, that TDI drill. Start doing that shit.
Yeah, do that with just the TDI at the highs and lows.
Okay, one question, bro. What is the big board? He keep talking about the big board. I don't know what the big board is.
Me either, bro.
That's hold on, let me see if I can pull it up. That's this shit.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah. He was talking
Right
about
when he's
like,
talking about you can see the spread and shit flicker.
yeah, hell yeah, yeah.
That's right here. This is the spread to the right. You
Okay, and
see
I can
that
see
shit
how he
start
be opening
flickering
that shit up in
and
the
doing all
trap.
that wild shit. Like I can turn it on. Like if you go to your properties and go to common, turn ask price line on right here. Well, damn, it's not
Mm-hmm.
showing up. But you go to properties, hit common, and you can turn your ask price on. Ask price
Okay.
line. And if you look, let me change the color so you can see it. I'm gonna change it to. Can y'all see that pink line?
Mm-hmm. I see it right above. Not too much of a spread.
That's the ask price line. So that shows the spread. Now, when you see that shit start
Okay.
flickering and widening and doing all that crazy shit at the high or low of the day,
Yeah.
then that's when it's trapping and collecting those pending orders and stuff at the tip right over where they got the pending orders and stuff at the highs and lows.
Okay.
And that's when you can anticipate either a breakout or that complete reversal, especially if it happens at that 345 or 945 mark at the absolute high or low.
I'm ready
Shit start
whenever
doing
you
some
is, so
real
just say the
crazy
word.
shit. This shit over here start going out of whack. Like right now on the Euro USD, it's at
Yeah.
a 5 to 7 pip spread.
Yeah,
You'll see it jump to something like 13, 14, or 15.
and that's because he's trapping those traders that got in. Okay.
Or he's hitting pending orders and stops.
Right. Okay. That's okay. So he's spreading that shit out, and
He's
then
spreading that shit out, but he's not moving.
I see what that nigga meant by that shit. Because I was wondering how I got stopped out at one time, and the candle didn't move at all. But I see what he meant now.
Right, that's what he did. He hit you with that
Okay.
spread.
AJ,
Yeah.
this John recorded?
Yeah, it's on YouTube. It'll be up on YouTube.
Okay.
All right, because I got a peel.
Okay, bet.
No, it's plugged. It's right down the wall. What's plugged? That thing is plugged? Yeah. Who plugged that back up?
Yeah. You looking at? Do you ever trade New Zealand dollar?
Um,
Oh my fucking
very seldomly, not often.
Hurry up.
Okay.
That.
Okay. I got in on the trade earlier on that.
I don't know.
I seen the 3 level rise on the 1 hour. And it looked like it peaked out.
Get it ready because I don't know.
Let me see, at the 15 minute. yesterday.
Roaches never said
But,
call when you over there.
no, I'm gonna hold on to that.
I'm not gonna spread her clothes though. I'm not washing all that shit. Oh, okay, please. Oh, God.
You said the New Zealand dollar?
Yeah, New Zealand dollar. That's what I was looking at. Let me see.
You got to sell on it?
Yeah, I got to sell in on that. Man, my MT4 been fucking up, so it ain't showing me where I got in at or anything. So I got to go to my computer, but I know I'm in on that sell. I'm up just 7, 8 pips, but I think he's doing that little trap shit. But I'm gonna hold on to it because I see 3 levels on the 1 hour and 15 minute.
You see it falling, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually gonna enter a trade on this Euro USD for a sell now too. I know you guys are already in, but I'm just now getting in it.
Oh shit! Say no more, bro. I'm about to be trading them stocks at a certain point. Then.
Oh yeah, the stocks are what?
See.
You do have a sell in on the New Zealand, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Because with the dollar increasing those interest rates, it's gonna push everything down. It's gonna push the whole market down if the dollar goes up.
Yeah, I got to sell on GPB, Euro, and New Zealand.
All right, I just entered.
They all penny trades though. Like I just said, fuck this
Yeah,
account.
that's what I
Really.
said, bro. Do pennies for grab 90, grab 10, 20 pips at a time.
Yeah. Oh shit! I'm already about to close out this GPB because I got 20 pips up. I'm up. Yeah, I'm up 20. So really, shit, I can actually close out for the day because I hit my 50 pips for the day, dog. Real talk.
Look, shit, 50 pips a day keeps everything else away.
Shit, like
Yeah, Shane, actually get out of the trade.
shut your ass up, big booty. I know your ass in here.
Don't get back in there 30 minutes after you got out. Talk about it.
Man, look, I done blew 3 good ass accounts. I'm not trying to blow through them. I'm learning that shit now. But yeah, I mean, as long as I'm starting to like pick up like where the stop punts are, like at first I was entering at like 2 o'clock and shit, like trading the stop punts.
In the middle of consolidation and shit.
Yeah, and then I'll be fucking my mind
your
up.
trade not go nowhere for 2 hours and be like, what the fuck?
I'll be sitting here looking like, what the fuck, bro? And then he talk about the spread shit, how he be knocking my stops out and not even moving. So, you know. I mean, I got a little $10 from XRP because I still held that little sell in. But then that nigga, he did some sporadic ass shit yesterday.
XRP did?
Yeah, you seen that?
It shot up, didn't it? It shot up this morning, I believe.
It did. I swear, shit. I'm glad I got out because I was holding a sell then.
Yeah, I didn't trade it last night. I think I looked at all of them this morning.
Was it XRP or Bitcoin that did that? It was like a flash something shit. I forgot.
That was XRP that did that little flash little update or something.
Yeah, because my shit been goddamn just skipping around and shit. So I just got out of that shit.
Yeah, that was XRP.
Is there a way you can like set let's say a buy order, like Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies throughout random periods, that shit'll drop all the way down to like, a penny or something like that, or drop down to $100 for 10 seconds and then, shoot back up and, it happens, here and there. Is there a way to set like a order on that?
Order down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, what you would do was act like just simply go into your see if this shows up. Y'all can't see this thing. Okay, if you go into your new order and you hit pending orders,
yeah,
it would be a buy limit. So you would set a buy limit. Buy limits are for when you expect price to fall to a certain price and bounce up. You want to buy when it falls that low. A buy stop would be when price is rising, and once it reaches a certain level, you want to buy in because intend it to, you expect it to keep going up. That's a buy
Okay.
stop. So a buy stop is when price is coming from underneath, and you want to buy in on its way up. A buy limit is when price is dropping, and you anticipate the reverse at a certain low. And
Okay.
a sell stop, sell limit is the opposite for sales.
Oh, it's gonna help me out of my Binance.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good, 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 good. And yeah, all the now the trading lingo, it's gonna be used. It's gonna look exactly the same on Binance. I know you already know. It's gonna say buy limit, sell limit, all that type of
Yeah.
stuff.
Hey, real quick on that USD CAD. I don't know if you went over or not. Are you looking for a push up or a push down?
You
Uh,
said USD CAD.
yeah, USD CAD.
Well, considering it's a USD, uh,
The increase you
yeah, yeah.
said.
Hold on, let me go to it. I'll pull it up.
Because I see what 1, 2, 3. I guess like a multi-session. He held that level maybe and might be going for another push down before shooting up. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, yeah, I believe we should be shooting up here now.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Cool. So
Notice how in this particular setup, you can clearly see three levels on this hour chart.
mm-hmm.
One, two, drew that one too.
Actually, right now, I think he's about to start shooting up at this point. Those little safety trade shits or whatever you be
Yeah,
talking
this right
about.
here is likely your one, two, three. Let me go like this.
Yeah, this shit start getting easier. I ain't gonna lie with these levels, bro.
You get M, A, A, W.
So you think it's gonna hit the ADR high, or what is that? The blueberry or the
This would be the aqua.
aqua? Okay,
That would
that's
be, now when you see all three of them like this,
right.
that's your reset. Because when the moving averages all come together, that's a reset. That's an indication of price resetting. And then let me zoom out and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Here, where prices, where all the moving averages are together, it's a reset, and then they break out. They come together, reset, reset.
Okay, that's a good
They come
shit.
together, reset, then they break out. They come together, then they break out. They come together, then they break out.
Okay,
They come together, then they break out. You see how when they come together, that's when you see the consolidation. Now here, all five of the moving averages are beginning to come together. They're going to come together right in here,
okay, I can see that shit now.
right in this
Uh,
area. And then we can anticipate an either breakout here, or we can anticipate them to break out to the downside. But for this particular dollar, I anticipate the breakout to go to the upside.
right, I
And
can
this is
see
just
that.
the hour chart. Look at the weekly. The weekly's already showing the breakout to the upside.
Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, the
This
consolidation.
is just clearly a retrace.
So that's like on weekly. Would you say that's like a reset at level one, slick,
Yeah,
or
this is a
consol?
reset at level one. It's Monday, Tuesday,
Right. Okay.
low of the week. Mid-week reversal today or tomorrow for the rest of the week. So right now
Okay.
we have likely set the low of the week. Plus, if you look at yesterday and today, we've already extended the low or the week range
Mm-hmm.
From there to here, and that is 32.6, 33.7. That's
Oh,
110 pips.
right. Okay. Okay. So this would be considered, I guess, that the false breakout for the week, right? The beginning of the week, false breakout, and look for
Right.
at least that continuation up.
Yep.
Okay, my dude, my G.
And this is what it looks like on the 15-minute chart. Yesterday, today.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
This is yesterday's low right here. This is blue tracer. And here's the daily candle. Notice how yesterday low has been clipped already.
Okay.
Yesterday's low was clipped here. Look at these traps, these wicks at
The
the low.
one, two. And you said you don't trade the Asia session at all, do you?
Right in here, I don't trade
Uh.
that at all. I don't trade until out of the box until we get right in here.
Okay.
These are where I
Okay.
trade.
Yeah. Hey, okay. One more, real quick. Those little shadow boxes that you got, are these just the London session right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Oh wait. Now which one? Which ones are you thinking of?
All right. Look how you drew the square up to the left of yesterday, coming out of the Asian session. That those two little squares that on that railroad right there. Yeah. What is that?
That would be my London session potential entry.
Okay.
Now, what tells me, like for London session, it was a buy.
Right.
What would have told me to take profit is the moving average.
Oh. Okay. See, okay,
London
I see
session.
that shit.
Now, New York session has a whole nother entry. What would have told me to sell here is this pin, this divergence, and the session. What would have told me to take profit here at this low would be the same thing that would have indicated this high. Pins, pins. So the same thing that forms the high is the same patterns that form the low. And as you see, we crossed back over the TDI right here. That's also a sign to take profit. So here's my entry. Here's my take profit. Here's both signals on the TDI and price action.
Okay. I see
Then
that.
over here, for today, let me clear that. For today, we got the Asian session. I don't trade this because I'm looking for the breakout to happen in here. So I let this do whatever it's gonna do, whether it jumps up here and does that, do whatever. I don't do
Mhm.
anything until we get in this time frame between 3 and 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. That's
Okay.
between 3 and 5, and then my 8 to 10. All happens in this window.
Okay, real quick, brother. Okay, like you see on the TDI how it has that. Would you consider this that false shark fin? Because you see it's coming breaking out of the high range right
Yes.
here. Right.
False. And the
False.
reason being is because there's no indication of any type of resistance here.
Okay.
It's not
That
the high
makes a
of the
lot
day.
more
It's
sense.
not retesting the high of the day. It's not the high of a week. There's no sign of resistance. There's no structure there.
Okay, bet. That shit works out perfectly.
Now here we got structure. Up here we don't. Plus you can see the 3 swipes to the low. And I'll show you that right here. We got 1, two, three,
Mm-hmm.
and each one barely took out the previous. Each one that took out the previous closed. The pin took the wick took out it, but the body closed back up above every time. So every time you see something like that, you know price pretty much walked you into the dark and left you there.
Mm-hmm.
Every time you see that, the price walked you into the dark and left you there until it had enough money left there. Now you see, here we go.
Okay, so it says the range is 17.8. That's just already what it's done, or that's what it's going to be.
I don't really read. I don't read those because they're very
Okay.
differently. MetaTrader reads them as pips and
Yeah.
micro pips and all types. So I don't necessarily read that, but
Okay.
that's pretty much what it's saying. It's saying it moved about. Let's see. Let me count that to be. Yeah, 17 pips. 17.6 pips. So that's about 180
Actually, shit.
points from 780 to 960. But now you see how we still did not touch either one of these pre-made lows. Price trapped them, and now we're going off to the races up here at the ADR high. Same
Hmm.
thing with your pound USD. You probably dropped in more profit there too.
Yeah, I'm already in profit on that CAD. I had got in right
See,
at that
here's my Euro USD that I entered a while ago.
the other sale. So
What's
you got in right at the top of the that was the second push or the first push
Yeah,
coming
I
out.
got in right at 10 o'clock.
Good shit.
And then here on the pound USD, same thing. I got in here on this previous candle there.
Man, since you guys have been talking, I entered that US CAD trade and I'm up too.
Yeah, I just like I'm up 7 right now, but that bitch going.
I'm up too.
God damn,
I
man, we going.
I on the first one I didn't put an adequate stop loss on there, so I lost 10 cents. But I mean I'm up $1.17 right now.
Hey, bro, good shit,
Good,
my dude. Goddamn.
good deal.
Was that 17 pips right there?
Yeah, that's about seven. Well, it should be about. It's going on about 20. It's going on
Yeah.
20. But we got now. Look up here. If you look up at the top, up here in the left, that tells us our ADR values. Okay, so reading the ADR value here, the projected range from high to low on today for the UCAD is 90 pips. So we're projected to get a full range of 90 pips from high to low on the CAD. We've moved. We have in it, the second slot says reached. No, we haven't reached it yet. We haven't reached 90 pips.
Hmm.
Today's range has only been 43.
Now, what does that mean? We only moved 43 pips already, or
Range from high to low right now, from high to low is only 43 pips. So
okay,
to reach 90, we still have 57 to go.
all right.
So if you're in the trade going the right direction and you're trading towards the high, we're projected to get another 57 pips.
Say no more. Say
Hell,
less. Like shit. Say less.
I ain't even trying to be
That
greedy.
shit
Like I
crazy.
still about closing down.
Right, bro. I'm telling you, I want everything from high to low whenever I enter a trade.
I see. That shit's
Yeah, I mean,
easier, dog.
when you laid it out how you did, I was like, oh, okay, well, shit, this is the right time to get in right here.
Okay, so like with these cryptos though, how do you I've been trying to read the shit like as the levels, you feel me? Like same thing as currencies, like regular currencies. But shit don't be goddamn you see them up taking off out of nowhere.
Yeah,
Goddamn dropping out.
cryptos just have a different mind of their own right now because they're really combating the dollar. They're not
Okay.
necessarily in a situation where they have to bend or fold to the dollar. So they really can work there because they're in a decentralized market. So technically they're not even in the same market as the dollar.
Okay.
So even if the dollar crumbled, crypto would still be alive.
Hmm.
So it's got a different reaction to the dollar. Like even if the pound drops to the floor, XRP and cryptos could still rise against the dollar.
So
Just like gold. Gold is going up while pound
Yeah.
and USD go down.
yeah, see, I was trying to count the levels on the gold, and that shit it wasn't working. Didn't work with me because that the shit kept
Yeah,
going
when you
up.
get in a situation like that, you got to go based off pure fundamentals.
Okay. Okay, so
And that's just
straight.
knowing that okay, the pound, gold is a tangible asset.
Yeah.
The pound is no better than the dollar. It's paper.
Yeah. That's why I
And
like to
I don't even think
like,
I don't even think I don't even think all the gold's in Britain anymore. I think they moved all the gold reserves out of Britain.
So what you're saying is you really got to be updated with your fundamentals, like
Yeah,
what's
when it
going
comes to
on.
gold and the actual commodities and metals and stuff like that, yeah, you want to stay up to date. Although price action still plays a role, you still want to be up to date on the aspects of what's going on in the commodities world too. If you're gonna trade commodities.
Say no more.
I feel like if you have some money, like some US dollars, and you're kind of scared of like, because the money ain't worth nothing really, it's just paper.
Right.
But the money back in the day before 1965 had a certain amount of silver in it. And
Right, actually in
silver,
the dollar, right?
yeah,
Actually in the bill.
actually in the coins too, like the quarters, dimes, and nickels. They had a quarter worth of silver or a dime worth of silver, like that. But they took us off of that gold standard and put us on the credit system. But even now, they still make silver dollars that they sell every single year. They only $20, and it's an ounce of silver. And I just buy them shits every year. I just buy a couple of them every year, and I got kids and shit, so I buy them one every year. So by the time they 18, they're gonna have a pound and a half of silver.
Right. Same thing with all the rappers and them buying gold and platinum back in the day. If they
Yeah.
held on to that, at the time they were losing value. But if they still got it now, it's going back up.
Yeah, I never kick rappers in the head for like buying shit, like houses and cars. Yeah, but I mean gold and platinum and diamonds, like that shit universal. You can take that shit anywhere and
Right.
get some money for it.
Eventually, that's gonna pay out. That could even possibly eventually be worth more than they paid for it at the beginning.
Yeah. Oh, nigga, I'm up $1.80.
Yeah. But that euro shit, that euro GBP they're looking for.
You're on. How about that New Zealand? That New Zealand fell for you too, right?
Dog, I had actually got out of all my trades once I hit my 50 pips.
Okay,
Man.
yeah. My bad.
Hey,
Don't do it. Don't do it.
hey, look, I mean, I'm back in on UCAD just because I seen, where, like, I know it's, shit. I ain't gonna cap, man. I'm up $2 for a dollar and 13, and then I kind of added numbers. But we ain't gonna talk about that. Oh, man, I'm just like, this is a little play account right now. Well, not play account, but I'm taking it serious. But I already told you I'm doing January, bro. I ain't straight TDI drills, them moving average drills and shit. See what the hell that nigga Steve been talking about, man. Cause shit a lot easier though now. Like reading level.
Here. Going for another cross to the upside.
Man, I'm hungry as hell.
Also, you see how the moving averages are starting to flow to the upside too?
Mm-hmm.
That's when they say trade with the trend. When you see those moving averages like that, trade with it. Just be sure to enter at your appropriate entries, the open and close or your 15-minute candles and so forth. But you see how even right here, this is probably where you entered at, right, Ocean?
Where are you pointing at?
Somewhere right in here.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
And that's right at that close of that previous one, but that's the bounce to trade in line with the trend.
Good shit.
And I was gonna stack them, but like I said, the first one that I put in there, I put a stop loss in there that was like one pip under where I started from, so I ended up losing 10 cents. I didn't have a
Oh, it
good.
was like almost immediate too, wasn't it?
Yeah, I was like, oh damn, I didn't even look at. I didn't even look at that. So I just really wanted to recoup my 10 cents back.
Yeah, I
And
ain't
you
gonna
got
lie,
back
boy.
a
That
little
money,
more.
nigga be taking all your money, man.
Yeah, I used to work, man, during the day, and I like cryptocurrency, so I used to be doing this shit during the day, be up $20, $30, and then turn around, have to do some shit at work, not paying attention, and then lost 50.
Right, that'd be the worst. Because had you been paying attention, you probably would have took profit and caught the 50.
Yeah, I put a stop. Like I'm looking at this shit right now. Like, man, this shit drop a little bit lower, man. Fuck it,
Well,
stop it.
XRP is that bitch still dropping? Was she rising?
XRP, let's take a look.
I ain't even got I'm on your shit for my computer. Oh, lady got my computer now.
No, XRP is actually still moving up.
Oh damn.
XRP is pushing up. That's why I said, you see how now the Euro, USD, and stuff like that is pushing down?
Mm-hmm. XRP be on a whole different line.
Yeah,
But
crypto's be on a
oh,
whole nother.
all right, so check this out. Would that be a multi-session W right here from the third to the sixth, where it kind of held that level?
Yeah, that would be a multi-day, multi-session.
Multi. That's what I meant. Multi. All right, cool. So you can see that been pushing up for at least 2 more days, 3 more days.
On the XRP?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's go look at the daily chart. Well, actually, see, the daily is facing resistance right here. So we would have to see a breakout.
Okay.
So we would need to see price breach yesterday's high right here, which it hasn't necessarily done yet. It could be seen
Oh.
head and shoulders for me.
Okay, I see that shit now. Okay, you see a head and shoulders on the what is that? The 1 hour?
Yeah, this is the 1 hour. You see, we could be seeing a head and shoulders face. Can you see it, Foreman?
Yeah. So that's where they say the trade to both ways because okay, it can either break out to the top or it can still push back down for.
Right. So
Okay.
basically, we would have to breach this zone for a breakout to the upside.
Okay.
But also, this is playing resistance.
So we got about 2 zones to break out to even confirm an uptrend.
Right. We'd have to break out both of these to confirm an uptrend.
Cool. And what is this? The 1 hour?
Yeah, 1 hour. And the reason being that is because we have a potential high of the day. Because the daily is stuck at resistance on this moving average.
Oh, this is your moving average line right here.
Yeah, this baby blue is this moving
Yeah.
average.
Okay. I was looking at the other blue. Okay, so when it's
Yeah,
okay.
this is the move. This is the daily. So that 200 moving average right here that we see, this aqua moving average that we see right here, that's falling on the high of the day, or that's pretty much playing resistance for the high. On the 4 hour, that looks like this. On the 1 hour, that looks like this. On the 30-minute, it looks like this. So there's nothing there on the lower time frames, but we do have resistance
On the higher time frame. Okay.
So we're pretty much gonna have to wait and see how this high right in here holds.
Okay, that should make a lot more sense. That's on the 4 hour.
And if we look at the 15-minute chart, that's what we're looking at. So, with that being said, this is a potential reversal pattern.
Actually, yeah, I can see a reversal on that because what 1, 2, 3, 4 slick maybe that push out high right there.
Yeah, you can actually see 3 pushes in there.
Mm-hmm. So they could still potential. Wait, so that yesterday's high right there. So there could be that's your head and shoulders, your confirmed head and shoulders, and your safety leg trade.
Yep,
Possibly.
I would say given it's 10:27, By 11 o'clock, we'll know what's up.
Okay, so you expecting consolidation at least right here, if not a push up.
Remember, now we're playing our 90-minute rule.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
see the high being the high of the day was set about 15 minutes ago. So that would have been 10:15. So if we give it 45 minutes to about 11:30, that'll be 90 minutes, and we'll know whether we're reversing or are going to continue to push up.
See, the old me would have got back in and try to, get some pips and nines. Like, oh hell, no,
You would
just
have
wait.
hopped in right now too, right?
Yeah. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to pull the trigger, get that bitch in my scope, wait for that little 2 hour mark.
See, now that we've identified a potential entry, we could give it 30 minutes to see if because we have no rush. We know these candles ain't going nowhere.
Right.
So now we know we got, we could even walk in circles away from the computer for the next 30 minutes, come back, and we'll know what's up. You know what I'm saying?
That's
Just so
why.
you don't have to, sit on your hands or whatever. You can walk in circles, go walk the dog, go do some push-ups.
Yeah, because I can look
Hey,
at
I
this.
put the L's down, so I can't smoke no more, dog. So shit, I gotta do something, man. But I see what you say. I see that shit. That shit work out a lot more, man. For real, when you count those intraday levels, even just the pushes on the higher time frames. No, I can see that shit. So, matter of fact, I think like in one of that nigga's videos where he said like that like don't trade back to what level one or that
Yeah, don't trade with level 1 counter, right? And this is exactly what we're looking at.
uh-huh.
This is the level 1 counter. What he was saying was don't trade this because price will come back on you.
Right. I see that. I can see that shit. I can see that shit. Yeah, I can really see that bitch push it
Because
down.
with the moving averages breaking out like this, that's a buy signal.
Right.
But if you're not paying attention and you're in that for a swing, you're gonna get crushed coming back down this way. Because like I was saying earlier,
Are you moving your thing on your
mouse,
screen?
yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh man, you know my
got two
shit be
screens,
freezing,
so
bro.
it's hard to see which one the mouse is picking up on. So I be looking at this one, and y'all on this one.
My fault, man. My shit be freezing sometimes.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right here. Notice how this high, this 15-minute push to the high did not breach the last one.
Wait, what time is it? That bitch actually just closed right there, so you can start your consolidation time. What, 30 minutes, 90 minutes?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. My boy, you the genius, goddamn. For real. This should work out a lot better, man.
Like even me, I'm almost tempted to go ahead and enter right now.
Like
I just did.
it's on that wick. I was looking like shit. That bitch might look like you about to come back down on me, man.
I told my wife I'm not gonna trade shit until I just sit in this class a little bit, but
I just entered for that little sale too.
I knew I should have, but I'm just gonna wait on it, man. I got 2 positions open though.
damn, I wish I would have screenshotted where I just started at. Damn.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I like them. I'm trying to keep track of a lot of this stuff too, man.
Hey, okay, so real quick, I got one thing. All right, so on that USD CAD, all right, so they just he just hit us with like a big ass stop hunt wick, right? Or not stop hunt wick, but a big ass fucking wick, right? That pin right there, right? Yeah. So would you consider that he positive that's like a trap to traders or people that work?
He's still pushing up. He just got some more sellers. He just got some more sell orders up there.
Okay, so the people that were thinking that shit's still pushing down. All right,
yeah, he just got some more sellers in the game.
Say no more, man.
He baited in some more.
Oh shit!
What you did?
Traded 2 cents on that XRP.
Oh fuck!
Yeah, man. That let me take that. Damn, already $2. Come on, man.
Hey, I'm at 82.
If
Hey,
you, I was gonna
just
say,
give
if you
it.
can, just let it ride and just put just monitor it.
I should have just let it ride, but
No,
that's
this shit. Don't even worry
It'll,
about getting back in now, cause now you just wasted the commission
look. I
and the.
don't look, man. Like I said, it's a play account, but I closed out $15 for the day, and I ain't trying to really play around with that no
Yeah,
more.
just hold it, just hold it.
Yeah, man.
See,
I
do that
ain't.
every day, and you be up 100 by the end of the week.
See, look, man.
Exactly.
Breathe. Don't come here with don't start that.
I'm just saying, don't get back to no trade.
Look,
You gonna
yeah.
be boohooing
I'm,
tonight.
I'm, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna put my phone on the other side, man. Goddamn. But yeah, this shit work out a lot better, man. When I see what y'all mean about risk management. You gotta get it on every trade. Get your 50 for the day. You know.
Slide.
Bree, you ain't started trading live yet?
No.
Oh, okay.
I feel you, ma.
Hey,
I
shit.
feel you. I
I
was
know.
I wasn't supposed to, but I was like, shit. I'm looking at this shit right here in front of my face.
Shit, I ain't
Alright.
I'm
rushing it. I
gonna
don't even
lose
be
this
looking
shit
at it. I
or I'm
just be
not.
watching my
So fuck it.
videos.
Let's do it.
Man.
I be learning my fundamentals first. You know what? Y'all can go ahead and be. I'm learning my fundamentals.
Oh, so would that be that divergence right there on the? Oh wait, no, I'm tripping.
Oh no,
Well,
I
I
showed you the
mean,
divergence. The divergence is here on the 1 hour. Notice
See, I don't
how.
even know what that is. I don't even know what y'all talking about right now. That's why
Okay,
I'm just
I'm
in
gonna
bed being
explain it
quiet.
right here. This is divergence. We
right.
have a high and another high, but notice how the close of this high is here. The close of this high is here.
Mm-hmm.
So this high would technically be higher than this high, right? It would be
Mm-hmm.
something like that. If you look here, the blue bands are considered containment. This high broke out of the bands. This high is in the bands. That's divergence, meaning the price action is showing price push up. Momentum is showing price contained.
Mm.
Then we get over here. This is just a retrace, and we should head this way.
I can see that.
And we'll likely get that right around at the close of this next 15-minute candle.
What be
Pound and euro probably already continued their push down. Somewhat.
crazy?
Here's that 5-minute chart on XRP. Notice here we have divergence as well. Can y'all see it?
What is this, the 1 minute?
This is the this is the 1 minute.
1 minute.
Let me go to the 5 minute.
I can see that, but don't. Where it's topping
You can
out.
see it too.
Right. So you talking about that shark fin? Like that bitch is way out there, just surfing and shit. Ain't coming.
Notice how price action was still pushing price up. Momentum falling in containment. I'll show you with the trend line. It's a little easier to see when I draw it like this.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's how you make it to a rate. That work.
Oh, you just saw that?
Yeah, shit. That work. I'll be picking out that little shit. Man. Write that down.
And
Is the rate better than the line or something?
Yeah, off that trend line. I've been trying to figure out how to get a ray on the MT4.
Now you see you can see the divergence there with momentum and price action.
Mm-hmm. That bitch about to drop. She coming down.
Coming.
Come. Hey, I'll be forgetting the surround sounds in this damn computer, but he can hear everything. Shit.
But yeah, I'm anticipating more push on the UCAD, drop on the Euro USD and the Pound USD. The Pound USD is already continuing its push. I grabbed a pretty good entry there, and I'm still headed for the ADR low.
Yeah, so it would have been way too late to even try to get back into it. I mean, guess what? If it pulls back up, which I don't think it might.
You talking about on the Euro?
Yeah, which was the one we just had last
No,
time.
we should pull from here. Look at the consolidation. It's already happening below the this right here. So we would have to fall. Let me change this color to black.
Was that the Euro?
Yeah, this is the Euro USD.
Yeah, that XRP on some shit, for real. I think he just went up and grabbed everybody's stops out and shit.
XRP just broke out. But no, it hasn't hit my stop yet.
Oh no. Yeah, I think he's grabbing people's stops right now. He's still gonna be pushing.
Likely, that's what it's doing. It's grabbing stops. Closes up. It'll because it still hasn't breached yesterday's high.
I see what you're saying now. That should work out.
But you can probably the spread is probably jumping like crazy.
Yeah.
Wow, it's a whole different, bigger picture than just the damn candlesticks I see. Yeah, it's crazy.
Look at the structure in which my stop loss falls.
Off of yesterday's high or not?
Off of yesterday's high. Right here. That's where my stop is. Because if we breach that point, we're still going to push up. This is a situation where if I wanted to continue in this, if it breaks out to the upside, I'd put a buy stop here.
Oh, so that's kind of like how you can counter that shit.
You can counter it. Even though I get stopped out on the sell, as soon as the breakout happens, I'm in for a buy. That's risky due to the fact that we know sometimes they'll trap and they'll raise the spread just to trigger my buy stop and then really fall. Then I would have lost both ways.
Damn.
So it's kind of that's where you got when you use your buy stops and your breakouts. You really have to kind of be okay. If it breaks this point, I know for sure it's gonna keep going this way. So let me go ahead and put my buy stop in there because they will simply throw those spreads just to get you in the market.
So a buy stop is once a buy stop is triggered, then your trade will be open, or
once it's triggered, you're in for a buy.
Okay. Now the the buy limit. That
I
means
believe we're still gonna fall. That's why I put my stop up there because of the way that structure is set. And I believe we just turned that. We just made that turnaround.
I'm sure we did that.
Yeah, we're making that turnaround now. Look at that huge pin to the high of the day. Notice how this candle literally set the high of the day. This candle is currently setting the high of the day, and notice how it pulled back below the high of the day that was set before it. So if we close down here, we know we're confirmed and good is coming off that high. Once we close down here, we can pretty much set our take profit and walk away from the computer.
So crypto still do the market maker cycles in a sense, just don't really follow like that hard against the US dollar.
Exactly. All of the charts are maneuvered by the market maker.
Okay. Yeah, I don't like his ass, but goddamn, this motherfucker be on some shit. He be on some shit for real, man. Yeah.
And I see what you're saying about this XRP because I panicked and tried to go the other direction.
Mm-hmm.
And I just got to kind of wait and see. Well, I don't have to wait and see. I feel like I know what's going to happen. Better.
Okay, you said you entered in a buy?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, just in case for that breakout?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, you entered what is it, execution or what did you put a buy stop, a buy limit?
Nothing. I just traded and then I'm trying to modify it now.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
To put a damn stop loss and take profit on it. But when I was looking at the euro versus the USD, it's kind of offsetting, you know, the loss I'm gonna take from one of these motherfuckers. I don't know which one. Likely this one.
I'm over here trying to click on the damn screen and there's your screen. I'm tripping.
Hey man, I gotta skate, man. I gotta make a call. I was supposed to make a call at 10:30, but I'll be back tomorrow, man.
Okay.
All right, catch you, my brother.
Man. Happy birthday again, man.
We probably finna get ready to wrap it up anyway.
Yeah.
Happy birthday again, man. Live it up.
Oh yeah, man. Happy birthday. I forgot to tell you that.
Yeah, appreciate you. I'll let you boys tomorrow. Well, we'll go again on Thursday. I don't know if I'm gonna wake up tomorrow.
Hey man, understandable, my brother. We're gonna hold these trades and then get out once I'm in profit again.
All right, most definitely protect that account, my brother.
Yep. All right, y'all boy.
All right, y'all take care.
Yep. See you, Bree.